Hello everyone, welcome to Ima's Confessionary. I'm still your host Mary Ann Nnaji. I want to use this medium to thank those of you who took out the time to subscribe to our channel. Keep subscribing for more videos. Whenever you subscribe, remember to click that bell beside the subscribe button. And whenever you click the bell, you will always get our videos. And also, who is this channel for? This channel is for those who are interested in the kitchen stuff, those husbands, those wives, those kids, those ladies and gentlemen who are interested in the kitchen stuff, in the things we do in the kitchen. This video is for you guys who want to improve in their kitchen ideas, in the things of kitchen, in the cooking things. So this video is for you guys. So you're interested to improve in one or two things in the kitchen, you are in the right place. So thank you for everything. Thank you for the subscribe, for the like, and for the sharing. So let's get into today's business. Our topic for today is save your marriage using only making ice cream at home. Oh yes, you can do that. You can save your marriage by that. Your marriage has been collapsed. You can save your marriage by learning how to do ice cream and improving in it, doing it at home, and you see things will change for your good. So let's get into the kitchen and get started for our ice cream. So guys, the things we need for this video ice cream, we need our condensed milk. This is our condensed milk. We also need this hand whisk. We also need our mixer as well, bowl for mixing. As you can see, I froze it. I put it in the fridge overnight so that I will not forget. So you can put yours in the freezer for 2 hours. When you are ready to do it, you bring it out. I also need this heavy whipped cream. I used the 500 ml for it, and I froze it. I put mine in the fridge, so as you can see, it's a little bit frozen. So we'll do it like this. And here is my mixer as well. Here is my mixer. Here is our flavor. I do not want to use vanilla. I want to use banana flavor. That is why I brought this. So first thing first, what we are going to do is to pour in our heavy cream. We are going to use our mixer for the first step. So we pour in our heavy cream inside our mixer. So right now that I have poured in my heavy cream into my mixer, as you can see, into my mixer. So I'll begin to mix it. You can see our cream. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to add in our condensed milk. So here is our condensed milk. We are going to add a whole of it. We are going to add this whole can of this condensed milk. So we'll continue to stir it, and we're also going to add, this time if we like we can use this hand, but I don't want to use it for now. I'll use it later. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this flavor, banana flavor. 2 teaspoons of it is what I'm going to add. This is banana flavor. I do not want to use vanilla. I just want to use a different taste altogether. So I will stir it little before I come. Now what we are going to do is we are going to bring it out, use our hand mixer, our hand wicks in doing the remaining. No big deal anyway. There are no big deal again. So we are going to use this to stir continuously. As you can see the inside. So now we are going to pour it into our container. Already I have an ice cream container here. Already have this container. I'm going to pour everything inside of this container. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to freeze this as it is. I'm going to leave it in my freezer. But before I do that, it has cover already. So I am going to use this to close it very well and freeze it. We are going to freeze this. So I'm going to leave it in my freezer for more than 2 hours. Depends on how you want. You can freeze it overnight. You can as well leave it for some hours. So let me go and keep it in my freezer. Hello guys, you can see our ice cream is ready. For instance, we want to make use of it. You see how yummy our ice cream is. See how yummy our ice cream is. Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed our ice cream that we did, and here is the ice cream that we did. I left it on my freezer. You can see how yummy our ice cream is. You can leave yours overnight, it depends. And you can see how yummy our ice cream is. You can see the inside. And I left this for some hours, like 3 hours. That's in my freezer. So let's test what we did and see how it tastes. Wow, I love this taste. Banana flavor. Wow, you need this. Honestly, you need to try it out. Try it at home. Save your marriage. When you do this kind of thing, you add little portion for your kids and for your husband. After eating meal, you use this to dilute it. Oh my goodness, you will enjoy. Everyone will be like, wow, mommy, do it again, or daddy, do it again. We love to do it. So thank you for staying. If I should keep doing this, I might finish it before my kid. So let me leave some for them. Thank you guys for staying tuned and keep subscribing for more videos. Keep liking our videos, share to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye.